Today we will start the word problems of apportion or unitary method. We know that when we have two quantities increasing in the same sign or decreasing in the same sign, it's called direct relationship, and we always follow the increasement sign. And if one quantity is increasing and one quantity is decreasing, so it's mean inverse relationship. And we always follow the increasement sign on x and decreasement sign on the other side. But how to solve the question? If we have a question is, let's see, we have a question, exercise number 6.2, question number 7. An army camp of 200 men has enough food for 60 days. How long? How long mean days, time, duration. So it's mean we need to find days. We always need to write the finding thing on the right hand side, so days, and the relationship between men in living things or in time. Living things or time always have inverse relationship. Time, distance, work always have inverse relationship. So when we have men or days, living thing or time, we always have the inverse relationship. So in this question we have 200 men and we have 60 days. Then we have 160 men. Men are reduced, but we need to find x. Always write the finding things on the right hand side. Always put the increasement sign on x. Now do the rough work. Rough work is men are decreasing. Men are decreasing. When the men are decreasing, the food will be used for many days. If the men are decreasing, the food will be used for many days, more days. That's why the increasement sign. So the inverse relationship. So we need to put the decreasement sign. Now how to write? When we have a decreasement sign, how to write in fraction value? Upward value same and the downward value same. But when we have increasement sign, downward value become upward and upward value become downward. Now by cross multiplication, 60 will goes to this side and 160 will goes to this side. So 200 multiplied by 60 equals x multiplied by 160. We always need to remove the denominator. So by cross multiplication. Now we have 6 2 times 12 and we have 12,000 x multiplied by 160. 160 is the relative of this. When it will come to this side, multiplication shifted into division. So x is, answer will be 12,000 divided by 160 and the answer will be 75 days. How many days? 75 days. So see, when the men are reduced, when men are reduced, the food will be used for many days, 15 days or more. So these are the steps for solving the question. But time, distance, living things have the inverse relationship with time. Time and distance, living thing and distance, living thing and days, time and living thing always have the inverse relationship. Now I am solving the next question. Same question for this. Let's see if the men are increasing. If men are increasing, we always put the increasement sign in on the finding thing on x, on the side of x. Now men are increasing. The food will be used for less days. So decreasement sign. But we always put increasement sign here and decreasement sign here. Now inverse relationship. Condition is same. Inverse relationship. So this is the condition. Always put the increasement sign on x, but you need to put the decreasement sign on the other side. Either in rough work, increasement sign on men's side, but you need to always put x as an increasing sign and the other one will be decreasement sign. Now how to write? If we have a decreasement sign, upward value same, downward value same. But if we have increasement sign, downward value become upward and upward value become downward. Now by cross multiplication, so we need to cross it, and x multiplied by 240. Now it will be 12,000 equals to x multiplied by 240. Now multiplication will convert it into division. So the answer will be, now we have to divide it, 12,000 divided by 240 and the answer will be 50 days. So see, it is proved When the men are increased, the food will be used for less day, 10 days or less, 50 days. So these are the steps for understanding the concept. Relation is same in words. One is increasing and second is decreasing. In rough work, if the sign is decreasing on the x side, but you always put the increment sign on x and put the decrement sign on second. The main important thing, your relation should be same. Inverse, this is always and also inverse in rough work. Now I am solving another question. Let's see the question of exercise number 6.3. And let's see, we have a question is 540 men can construct a building in 7 months. How many men should be removed? Removed. Left. We always do subtraction, minus. But what is the relationship? How many men should be removed to finish the building in 9 months? So we have a relationship with men. Men we need to find, and relationship with months. The finding thing you always need to write on the right hand side. In the first line we have 540, we have to find the men and months. Months are 7 and 540 men, and we have 9 months, and x we need to find. Always put the increment sign on x. Now do the rough work. Rough work is months are increasing. Months are increasing. If months are increasing, the quantity of men should be decreased or increased? It's decreased, because we need, if we have more time, so we require less men, so we have to decrease. If we need to make this house, if we have 7 months, we need 540 men. If time is increasing, so the extra men will be removed. So I have told you, time and the living thing always have the inverse relationship. So inverse. So you need to put the decrement sign always on the left hand side. Now how to write? Downward value, upward value same, downward value same, because we have decrement sign. And for increment sign, x over 540. Upward value become downward and downward value become upward. By cross multiplication, so we need to cross it. 7 multiplied by 40 equals x multiplied by 9. Now you need to multiply 7 multiplied by 540. So the answer will be 3780 equal x multiplied by 9. Now multiplication will shift it into this side, so it will divide, and the answer will be, when we will divide with, so the answer will be 420. 420 men. So how many men removed? Removed. The step is removed. How many men we removed? Firstly we have 540. When the time is increased, when we have given more time, the men should be removed. So minus 420. How many men we have to remove? That will be 120. So 120 men are extra, so we need to remove when the time is increased. So living thing, time, distance with men. So these kind of thing always have the inverse relationship. So 120 men should be removed from the required track or a building. So these are the steps for solving the word problems of proportion or unitary method. Thank you.